What's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily and today we are finally going to do my mirror DIY. If you guys don't know what mirror I'm talking about, this is the mirror, and the DIY we will be working on is using a rub and buff to change this black into a vintage gold. I do like the black, but honestly vintage gold is more my style. So before we do that, I'm gonna be testing it in the back, like the stand, before I do this part. But yeah, I'm finally gonna do it. I'm excited. So let's go ahead and gather all the stuff. I have this cardboard that I'm gonna use to lay it down. I'm hoping that it'll be big enough. And let me move this tripod. Okay, and then in this messy drawer, I have the rub and buff. Got it. Okay. All right, so got the rub and buff. Then we're gonna need some gloves. And lastly, I need a microfiber towel. And we're just gonna go ahead and grab this one and just throw that back in there. So I'm hoping the color ends up looking similar to this. So we'll see how it goes. All right, so I have everything set up here. Ooh. I recently started rewatching New Girl and it's the best thing ever. I totally forgot how much I love this show, and watching it the second time, just like after so many years passing, like perfect. It's the best. But anyways, all right, so I have this set up. It's just the cardboard, and then I have my microfiber towel, my gloves, and the rub and buff. And I've never used rub and buff before, so I did go online and look at another YouTube video to see how to use it, so that's how I know what I need. It's probably gonna be a lot of just time lapse until I kind of explain to you guys what I'm doing. But yeah, I'm hoping that it goes well. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so we've got the mirror here, and I'm just gonna do a little test. So this rub and buff I'm using is the antique gold. I'm just gonna put a little bit. Oops, that's a lot of it. Whoa. That works so well. What the heck? Wow. Guys, I am shocked right now. I'm just gonna show you how good it looks right there. That is definitely antique gold. All right, so let's go ahead. I'm kind of scared because of the mirror. I have to like get in there, so I think I need to get some tape first and just like tape around and stuff just to make sure that I don't get it on the actual mirror. So I'll be right back and I'm gonna go ahead and tape that up. All right, so I just taped it all around. I didn't have any of that blue tape that you usually use for like painting and stuff. So I just used regular like packing tape. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this and wish me luck.
Walking downtown and I'm okay. Eyes on me, I don't know what to do, so I smile and I wave. Alright. Everyone's looking like they know what they're doing. Everyone's looking like they know what I'm pursuing. I'm trying not to give them the time of day.
Alright, so I want to show you guys what it looks like right now. And this is going to be really quick. I just realized. Pretty sure it's going to have to be a 2-coat type of thing. So I'm going to go through it one time, let it sit for a couple of minutes, and then go through it a second time. So this is so fun. Honestly, I'm gonna want to do this to like everything because I love this color. So let's keep going.
Never meant for me. Well, now I gotta keep it. You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling.
Okay guys, so I just did one round and it is looking so good. I swear, Rub and Buff vintage color is so sick. Let me pause the TV. Okay, yeah, so it's looking so good. Let me go ahead and show you. All right, so it needs some work. This is just the tape, so it's just protecting the mirror and stuff. This is what it's looking like, and it looks so good. I'm gonna go ahead, do a time lapse while I do the last part, and then we're gonna let it dry, and then I'm gonna share with you guys what it looks like after. All right, you guys, it is all ready to reveal. I don't know what I was trying to say. But anyways, okay, so Rub and Buff dries super quickly. I just checked and I tested it out with my finger and it's good. It's all dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the tape, see if there's any spots that I need to touch up. And then we can go ahead and put it up because it's good. All right, let's go ahead and check. All right, moment of truth. I'm kind of scared, I'm not gonna lie. All right, so there are some spots that I have to fix, like right there. But for the most part, is it not looking good or what? I love it. All right, so there are definitely some areas that I need to touch up. So I'm thinking maybe I can just use like a cotton swab or something to get like those edges in the bathroom. I'm gonna grab a few. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and get into them. I'm not gonna film that part because that's really boring, honestly. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try to fill in those little spots and then we're gonna put it up. We are done, you guys. We are done and it's time to put it up. So let's do it. I'm so excited. Like that. I swear it looks so good in person. I'm so happy about it because now I just feel like it goes better with all of my stuff. I think later I'm gonna touch up like right there where it's a little bit like not even. But for the most part, guys, it looks good. Like I love like the gold with now with the brown. It looks so good. I'm so excited. Yeah, just another quick overview. And let me know what you guys think. Did you prefer the black or do you prefer this color? Honestly, now that I look at it, I feel like the black made it look a lot, not a lot, but like a bit thinner. Now it feels like it's a bit of a bigger mirror. I don't know if that's crazy or if you understand what I mean, but yeah. And I decided to not paint the back because that's just a lot and you can't even see it. Happy with it. And let me know what you guys think. But yay, I'm just so excited. Okay. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys have ever done any rub and buff DIY projects. I'm interested to know because I kind of want to do some more. It was so easy. That little bottle seriously goes such a long way. Like, I have so much left. So yeah, I'm super excited. I'm like still staring at it. But yeah, thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share it with a friend who also enjoys DIYs, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more home related videos. And thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys next time.
It all comes down to you are my anxiety. It's more